Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you could create various harmonies using one single vocal take. So if you're an artist and you find it difficult to create harmonies for your song, or if you're a music producer and you find it, kind of difficult to create harmonies for your vocal samples, I'm going to be showing you how you can just do that with a single click. So without wasting time guys, let's go. I have this beat that I was working on, and I'm just gonna play with the beat. Then I'm gonna carry the vocals right into Audimi and show you guys how you could just create various harmonies. So let's just play that and let's see what that sounds like.
Please, so I beg you, please. Girl, I dey beg, make you no go spoil my steez. So
you have some nice vocals.
I know you want to have my kid, so girl, I dey beg, make you no go finish my steez. So
yeah, so I'm just concerned about the vocal, so I've exported the vocal. Let me just solo the single vocal. So we have this vocal.
So girl, I dey beg, make you no go spoil my steez. So
yeah, let's say I want to create some harmonies for these vocals, but I don't know the parts to take. I'm just gonna use Audimi. So quickly, let's just go open up Audimi, and yeah, so we have Audimi open right here, and they just added this new feature which is make harmonies, and I've been wanting this feature to be added like for a while now, and finally this feature is here. So I'm just gonna click on the make harmonies, and all you just need to do is drag in your vocal sample or drag in the vocal take that you have, or you could actually just record the vocal directly, and it creates the harmonies for you. So you say make sure your audio is dry and free from effects. So very simple, just one click and everything is done. So I'm gonna click here, so it's just gonna load quickly. The loading is fast. Then all I just need to do is select my key, and the vocal is in the key of D major. So I'm just gonna select D major, and there are some new presets they've added: copy third and fifth, dreamy side. So they have lots of amazing presets you could actually just pick from. So let's see which we could create. Let me just pick copy third and fifth. Let's just pick that and let's see what it's gonna create for us. And it's loading. Yeah, so it has done processing. So all I just need to do is to preview it, and let's just preview and hear what this melody is gonna sound like.
please, so girl, I dey beg, make you no go spoil my steez. So
yeah, I kind of like that, but I think I'm gonna select my own. I'm gonna select my own singers. So I'm just gonna let's just delete everything. I'm gonna select my own singers so I can add I love using Yemi whenever I'm working with Audimi. So I'm just gonna go over and pick Yemi because she has that Afro beats kind of vibe that I actually need. So I'm just gonna go pick Yemi as my singer, and I'm just gonna pick, let her sing the third. So she's gonna sing the third, and it's just gonna load, and let's just listen to what that's gonna sound like.
please, so girl, I dey beg, make you no go spoil my steez. So I know you want to have my kid. So girl, I dey beg, make you no go finish my steez. So
yeah, now it has created this amazing harmony. See how it is in sync with the main vocal. So I'm gonna add on that singer. Let's say I need like the fifth of it. I'm just gonna go create, let's go plus fifth, and I'm gonna pick another singer. Tons of singers they have. So I'm gonna look for another Afrobeat singer that I feel is gonna sync well with what I'm doing. Let me go with Diana. So I'm gonna pick Diana and for us. So let's listen.
please, so girl, I dey beg, make you no go spoil my steez. So I know you want to have my kid. So girl, I dey beg, make you no go finish my steez.
Yeah, so I could add I could stack up lots of vocals. So in case you want to get like that Ashake choir effect, you could just stack up vocals. So I'm gonna add a male singer now. Yeah, I'm gonna pick Tom. Let's see what Tom is gonna give us.
Please, so girl, I dey beg, make you no go spoil my steez. So I know you want to have my kid. So girl, I dey beg, make you no go finish my steez. So yeah.
Yeah, so I could add another male, to give me like the minor fifth. and let's pick another male vocal. So they have tons of vocalists that you could actually just pick from. And in case you don't want to even use the vocalist, the Audemy already gives you like an idea, so you could then use your own voice to sing the harmony it has created for you, or you could just use the harmonies directly. So I'm gonna pick Bobo. I think it's an Afrobeat artist. So yeah, let's pick that and
Please, so girl, I dey beg, make you no go spoil my steez. So,
yeah. So I think I like everything. I'm just gonna download it and drag it into my DAW, drag it into FL Studio, and let's see what we could actually just play around with in the beats. So I'm just gonna convert everything. Yeah, so it has created a folder. So I'm just gonna download, hit on the download.
please, so girl, I dey beg, make you no go spoil my steez. So, I know you want to have my kids. So, girl, I dey beg, make you no go finish my steez. So, please, so girl, I dey beg, make you no go spoil my steez. So, I know you want to have my kids. So, girl, I dey beg, make you no go finish my steez. So, please, so girl, I dey beg, make you no go spoil my steez. So, I know you want to have my kids. So, girl, I dey beg, make you no.
So this is how you can just create, various harmonies using just one single vocal. Big shout out to Audemy. This is a great development, and a big shout out to AI too, helping us a lot. So with Audemy, you can actually just create various harmonies with various singers they have available on their site. So if you want to try out, Audemy, the link is in the description. All you just have to do is click on the link and, sign up and, start creating various harmonies. Like for me, I find it really, very difficult, singing parts or telling an artist to sing this part. But with Audemy now, it just gives you that idea straight up. So even though you don't want to use their singer, to sing the harmonies, at least it has created the harmonies, which you can also use your voice to sing. So guys, go try out Audemy, and I know you're definitely gonna love it. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content. See you guys in the next video.